Welcome to the 50 Gym Mates in 50 Weeks series. This is Stephen. Today I'm going to speak to a mate in the gym, and that's her. So I'm just waiting for her to get out of the car. Hello stranger. You're not camera shy.
I'm very shy.
Hi everyone, this is Stephen and this is
Deborah. Hello.
Deb is actually one of the gym instructor at my gym, and so technically she's also a gym mate. Alright, so Deb, tell us, what do you do for work?
Oh, I work in a pharmaceutical company. That's what I do, and I'm in sales and commercial.
Sales and commercial.
That's my full-time job.
That's not everyone here, so. Apparently, Deb is actually in the senior leadership team, so she's not just an instructor.
So now we're entering Carlingford Fitness First. So that's one of the bigger gyms for Fitness First. And I'm getting ready for a 6:30 p.m. combat class, which Stephen here is going to attend, and he always stands at the front.
Okay, I'll try to stay at the front today.
No pressure.
So Deb, do you have days that you just don't feel like coming to the gym?
Oh, for sure.
And how do you motivate?
That's just part of the human nature, isn't it? There are days where you're very motivated, and other days where it's been a big day at work, or like, you're a bit tired.
So when that happens, how do you motivate yourself?
I always think about the end result. Like, even if I don't feel like exercising today, I know that after I do my workout, I'm going to feel fantastic. So that's what motivates me. The hardest bit is actually stepping in to the gym. But after that, once you're up and running, it's all good.
Yes. How many days do you exercise, Deb?
I do have a rest day, but then I try to fit in at least 5 days a week.
5 days a week.
So a bit of variety.
So what's your exercise routine like?
So obviously I've got my classes on Monday, Tuesday, and then also on Saturday mornings, but outside that I do a bit of HIIT training, which is both a lot of cardio and conditioning, and weights involved. And then I love running. Yeah. So I'm naturally more cardio than weights, but over time I have to make myself actually appreciate weights because it's great for the all-round workout.
Good. So for somebody who is starting out, what sort of advice can you give them in terms of, start to pick up exercises and?
Yeah, I would, start. Don't push yourself to like an hour or whatever, right? You can start doing 20 minutes of a workout or so, even if you're going for a walk outside. That's still staying active, and obviously people join the gym because there's more motivation there. And if you want to choose group fitness classes, you have a bunch of people motivating you. I'm a group fitness instructor, and they push you, and you find things that you enjoy. That's the most important thing, because once you find the things that you enjoy, you'll be more motivated to do it.
Yes.
That's why I found running, because I love it. It's not for everyone. I don't like cycling. That's why I don't do it.
All right, Deb. Look, everyone, the reason why I'm doing this series is pretty much try to let everybody know that exercise is really for everybody and everyone. So one thing I also want to do is I want to make use of the opportunity to acknowledge Deb. Deb has been one of the very, very committed, very encouraging and very energetic coaches in the gym. Now I call her a gym mate because technically she is a gym mate in this gym, and so I want to publicly acknowledge her again. And she has been fantastic. And if you haven't been to her class, just come. Even though you don't feel like coming, just come, and she will move you along.
In general, staying active, right, is so good for your physical and mental health. That's all I can say. The reason why I love exercising is because I find that not only does it keep me fit, but also mentally I can think better. After I exercise, my mind is a lot clearer, so it does help you with that.
Yes, absolutely. All right, Deb, thank you so much.
I'll talk to you soon.
Okay, this is the combat class. And Here comes Step at the back.
Alright everyone, like, subscribe and hit the notification buttons, leave your comment below, and I'll see you around next time.